Hi, I'm Ben Strashko, and I'm the owner of Golden State Builders Group. I oversee our operations and ensure that every project we take meets on the highest standards, craftsmanship, and customer service. Golden State Builders specialize in exterior remodeling, primarily siding and deck installations. We're certified installers for James Hardie siding and Trex composite decking, and we'll take pride in transforming homes with durable, high-performance materials that boost curb appeal and value. Customers choose us because we deliver consistent, high-quality work with transparency and integrity. We're not just licensed contractors, we're certified by James Hardie and Trex, which means we meet their strict standards and a 5-star reviewed rated across all platforms. People trust us to show up, do it right, and stand behind our work. My team is made out of highly trained professionals, many with decades of experience in siding, decking, and general construction. We don't cut corners. Every member of our crew understands the importance of precision, cleanliness, and communication. We hold each other accountable and always aim to exceed expectations. We are certified with James Hardie and Trex, which puts us on their official list of recommended installers. We're also Diamond certified, which means we passed rigorous screening and ongoing customer satisfaction checks. These recognitions matter because they show we're not just saying we do good work, independent sources confirm it. One of our recent clients had water damage due to poorly installed siding. They were overwhelmed and worried about cost and disruption. We walked through them everything and coordinate with their insurance and installed new James Hardie siding. The house looked brand new. They even referred us to 3 of their neighbors. That kind of impact is what drives us. We started with a simple goal: to raise the standard for exterior remodeling in the Bay Area. Over the years, we've grown through word of mouth and repeat businesses. Today, we're proud to be one of the most trusted names in the siding and decking, known for our quality, honesty, and care. In Golden State Builders Group, we do more than just build decks and install siding. We build trust. We're licensed, insured, certified, and proven. We prioritize clear communication, strict quality control, and real accountability. You're not just hiring a contractor, you're hiring a team that will treat your house like it's our own.